pretty
Who's
sick
getting
bucket
married?
that, right?
That's me.
Congrats, man.
Appreciate it.
You'll be first up.
Yep.
He doesn't know it's a bad idea.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge, bitch. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in a backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bullshit. Quick to say my piece, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, knowing damn well they really came.
Dave, my arm is broken. We're out here, middle of the ocean. Adam's here. Set me up for failure. That's all right.
Failure? We got fish in the box.
Yeah, but that's no thanks to Adam. Hey, got one. Ryan, I think, got one. Brian got a bait fish.
Joe broke his arm.
Talks a lot of shit for someone who caught his fucking little goldfish out there.
Playing with the Yankees?
Lost a lot of good men out there.
I don't want to talk about it.
This is Brian. He bets on the Jets.
I don't want to talk about it.
Press us, I notated on leaflet. I'm really up a few levels with it. Like way out the way from them. Can't see me, you can't meddle with us. E and J in my Earl Grey hood bunched up with the cheese eggs and a dumb face. No stunner shade, still turned up. Been had it poppin' in broad day, that's Avi. Flower child from the sun rays, but I run fade, got 'em punch drunk. My Providence, they don't love us. They rather treat us like an animal. They wonder why we on Abe shit. Escaping shit, I'm off the cannabis. Middle fingers in tandem, going tantrum. Yelling fuck 12 with a big smile, young phantom. Hi mom, I'm on camera. Coming live from the mud pit, we don't take post beat for granted. I plan to keep it stress-free, live and die young, I leave it on the canvases. Split up some with my better half, Dre day like it's a holiday. My shit on dumb flame till the wheels kill, I'm on road rage. Yeah. My shit on dumb flame till the wheels fall, I'm on road rage. I've been on the run, my third eye open. Been trying to kill emotion. Life in the slums. I've been on the run, my third eye open. Yeah. Hey, fuck the ceiling, I've been living out the moon roof with it. I'm in tune with my senses, kill the tune with my sentence every time. Yeah, I've been in the mood, got a feeling. What we doing, got 'em fuming, they ain't used to a nigga like me. To the pledge when I said it, no caps, and I'm better till I see black. And still ride for it, done a couple flats, I've been down better, bounce back. Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap. Been slave to the 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap. From the slums, I've been on the run, my third eye open. Been trying to kill emotion, yeah. Life in the slums, my third eye open.
Congratulations on your wedding, Tate. Now let me suck your cock.